Level 1. The literal ghost. You wake up before dawn because the street gets loud as the city stirs. Your body is stiff from sleeping on concrete, and your first goal is a bathroom and water in a fast food place where the staff might not turn you away. You look like a beggar because you are one, you are a nobody in a world that only sees currency. You plan your day around safety and weather, tucking your few valuables into your clothing and sleeping lightly to ensure nothing goes missing in the night. Level 2, the disposable eye. You've moved off the bench and onto a street corner. You are now a Hulkon the Hawk, the eyes and ears of a global empire. You still wear the same dirty clothes and tattered hoodie, but now you have a burner phone and a radio tucked into your waistband. Your job is to watch the highways and ports without blinking, reporting police movement to bosses who don't even know your name. You look like a beggar, so you can be the cheap, disposable early warning system that no one suspects. Level 3, the high stakes hustler. You've traded the street corner for a hijacked truck or a sports betting book. You are an associate now, and for the first time, you want to show off. You want the jewelry, the cars, and the respect you saw the cool guys have when you were a kid. You buy a shiny suit and wear sunglasses at night, thinking the flash makes you powerful. But you're a target. The police know your face, and if a fight breaks out, you're the one getting arrested, while the bosses stay home. Level 4, the strategic shadow. You've reached the old money playbook. You realize that flash is a weakness. You look at families like the Mars Dynasty billionaires who own more than just candy, yet could walk past you in the street in hoodies and no one would notice. They want it that way, ultra rich, ultra low key, and ultra controlled. You stop wearing the watches that cost more than a car and start wearing athleisure that looks like a $20 sweatshirt but costs $2,000. You've learned that true power is staying in the shadows. Level 5, the captive magician. The higher you climb, the more you have to hide. You are now the chief financial officer for a multinational criminal enterprise. You live in a penthouse with glass walls, but you have no real freedom. You check your car for a GPS tracker every morning and never sit with your back to the door. You look like a regular businessman or a consultant because you are a liability, the only one who can connect the capo to his money. Level 6, the trillionaire prisoner. You are now the richest person to ever live. You are worth more than 4 Jeff Bezoses combined, yet you are the most famous and most paranoid person on earth. You buy the entire Bugatti company, but your security team needs 45 minutes of notice just for you to get a cup of coffee. You realize that the 600 million yacht and the private island haven't bought you peace. You find yourself standing on your 14-acre lawn at 3 a.m., staring at the stars and remembering when you were broke and didn't care that the rent was late. Level 7, the permanent asset. In the final level, you look like a beggar because you have been erased. You saved the life of a crime lord, and your reward is a gilded cage. You are kept in a secure room with glass walls, provided with a bed, a desk, and medical textbooks. You are told your daughter will have the best schools and a nice home, but she will never see you again. You spend your whole life trying to own the machine, only to find you become a permanent component of it. You look at your hands, once meant for saving animals, and realize you are now just another number on someone else's spreadsheet.